Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the application from Play Store. So let's here enter the Ampere, and now we should get here this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just click here to open. Then click yes, I agree, click close. Here click on the left down corner, and now we can see here the information was the health of our device battery. In my case, that's good here. So also we have here different information, just a lot of information about the capacity, temperature, just level of the battery, the Android version, the model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.